100 everyday adjectives with a simple sentence. 1 to 20, emotions and feelings. Happy, she feels happy today. Sad, he looks sad after the movie. Angry, I get angry when I'm hungry. Excited, the kids are excited for the trip. Tired, I'm very tired after work. Sleepy, the baby is sleepy now. Scared, she is scared of the dark. Nervous, he is nervous before the test. Worried, mom is worried about you. Calm, the room feels calm and quiet. Lonely, he felt lonely in the new city. Brave, she was brave during the storm. Shy, the boy is shy in class. Proud, I am proud of my son. Kind, she is kind to animals. Mean, that was a mean thing to say. Funny, he tells funny jokes. Serious, the teacher is very serious. Cheerful, she is always cheerful in the morning. Grumpy, he's grumpy without coffee. 21 to 40, size and shape. Big, that dog is big. Small, I live in a small house. Tall, she is a tall girl. Short, I have short hair. Long, the river is long. Wide, this road is wide. Narrow, the path is narrow. Tiny, the kitten is tiny. Huge, the elephant is huge. Fat, the cat is fat. Thin, he is thin and fast. Slim, she looks slim in that dress. Round, the table is round. Flat, the land is flat here. Square, it's a square box. Oval, the egg is oval. Pointy, the pencil is pointy. Soft, this pillow is soft. Hard, the chair is hard. Sharp, that knife is sharp. 41 to 60, appearance and looks. Beautiful, you look beautiful today. Ugly, that's an ugly sweater. Pretty, she has a pretty smile. Handsome, he is a handsome actor. Clean, my room is clean now. Dirty, your hands are dirty. Neat, her notes are neat. Messy, the kitchen is messy. Bright, the sun is bright. Dark, it's dark outside. Colorful, the garden is colorful. Plain, the shirt is plain white. Fancy, they went to a fancy dinner. Cute, that baby is so cute. Attractive, she is an attractive woman. Charming, he has a charming smile. Bald, he is bald now. Tall, that building is very tall. Short, it was a short movie. Old-fashioned, that dress looks old-fashioned. 61 to 80, condition and quality. New, I got a new phone. Old, this book is old. Good, that's a good idea. Bad, it's a bad day. Broken, the chair is broken. Fixed, the car is fixed now. Empty, the glass is empty. Full, the basket is full. Strong, she is strong for her age. Weak, I feel weak after the flu. Healthy, he eats healthy food. Sick, I'm sick today. Rich, that man is very rich. Poor, they are a poor family. Busy, I'm busy this weekend. Free, are you free tonight? Easy, the test was easy. Hard, the homework is hard. Simple, that's a simple answer. Difficult, the question is difficult. 81 to 100, other everyday use. Early, we arrived early. Late, he came late to class. Fast, the train is fast. Slow, that turtle is slow. Hot, it's hot outside. Cold, my coffee is cold. Warm, I like warm water. Cool, the breeze feels cool. Wet, my clothes are wet. Dry, my skin is dry. Safe, this place is safe. Dangerous, Tigers are dangerous. Open, the store is open. Closed, the bank is closed. Right, that's the right answer. Wrong, you took the wrong turn. Noisy, this street is noisy. Quiet, please be quiet. Fun, that game was fun. Boring, the lecture was boring.